Hi, Angelica. This is Haley with Toriar Digital Marketing. We wanted to thank you for letting us send you this video. We just wanted to show you 3 quick tips on how to use Google's language on your website so you can start appearing at the top of more customer search results and you guys can get more business. Our owner, Brianna, used to own her own roofing company out in Alaska, so we're familiar with the struggles contractors go through. And we know that when you own your own business, you don't have the time to necessarily sit in front of the computer all day and make the internet work for you. So we find the biggest reason that businesses don't hire a marketing company is because you don't know who to trust. Who's going to be a waste of time and who's going to be an expert. So we believe in giving the value up front, and we have been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And a lot of businesses have been calling us back and asking us for our help to get this stuff completed. We are so confident in our ability to deliver results that we're only taking on one exclusive client for any service type in an area because we don't want to compete with the results we're bringing. So if after this video you see we know our stuff, don't hesitate to reach back out to us and see if we're a good fit for working together. And let's get you the business you deserve. If you want to just use this information to make changes for yourself, please do. It's free education. So the top 3 tips I have for you are content, citations, and backlinks. So your website is gorgeous, and I see that you serve Florida and Alabama. The reason that we have you on our list here is because you had an office in Birmingham. So that is the local area that we were trying to target. It looks like you don't appear on any Birmingham search results, so that's why we wanted to talk about it today. You guys have a perfect click to call. You guys have the uh, contact information form to fill out, and the pictures are beautiful. But Google doesn't rank you for how good your site looks. It's going to rank you for how many keywords you have. So the rule of thumb is you want to have 1,500 words on this homepage and 500 words on each back service page. Another rule of thumb is for every one keyword that you're trying to target, you want 100 words of content to support it. When your site is built this way, it shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to put you at the top of more search results. So I have right here a search result for Birmingham, Alabama, and Hinkle Roofing is at the top of this map pack. It shows a listing geographically based. It's called the Google My Business Map Pack, or GMB. And if you serve more than one area, you'll want to get in the top 3 here for each service area because you know that's where the customers are calling the most. They can't be bothered to even scroll down. So when you get down here, this is the organic search results. They have the top 3 do a little Google dance, and the top 2 here are those directories, and the third one here is Hinkle Roofing. So they are topping the map pack and the organic search results. To get into the Google My Business for each service area, you want to make sure that you get your contact information, photos, and website listed. Then once you get that done, you want to put your contact information into citations. It's these directories I was talking about: BBB, Angie, Yellow Pages, all that. There's thousands of them, but you want to get on at least 100 more than your competitors to start appearing in the top 3 here that customers you know are calling the most. So for your top competitor, Hinkle is your top competitor. Let's go ahead and look at their website. They have pretty pictures too. They have other services that they do, and they have some content. They don't necessarily have more than you guys, but they do have their topping the map pack and the organics for your area. So we wanted to show you the behind the scenes. We use this paid tool called Ahrefs. It helps us look at more of the backstage area of what your website is doing on the back end. We will go to yours first. So this is Apex. You guys have a really strong homepage ranking and domain ranking, this is for your homepage, 0 to 100 ranking, you have a 29. This is your domain ranking. Your entire website out of 100 is a 23. You guys have over 3,000 backlinks coming from 76 different sites. So the backlinks are what Google is using to rank you for in these domain rankings here. So not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have high quality, high ranking backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. That's other sites linking to your site, pushing traffic to you. You're ranking for 300 keywords, and that's pushing over 1,500 traffic to you per month. And if we go to Hinkle Roofing, they don't have as strong of a site, but they are getting more traffic. That's my little 6-month-old. We're working from home today. They don't have as strong of a site, but they do have more traffic coming to them. And this shows you that people are searching for roofers in Birmingham. So let's get you on top of the search results for that area. Let's recap. My little baby wants to recap with you. So this is for your homepage. You want 1,500 words on your homepage and 500 words on each back service page. That rule of thumb, for every one keyword you are targeting, you want 100 words of content to support it. You want to get an individual Google My Business listings for each area that you serve. You want to go get 100 more citations than everybody else, and you'll be at the top 3 for this area. Go get some high quality, high ranking backlinks, some more high quality, high ranking backlinks relevant to the roofing industry. If you do this, you guys will be topping the search results for the Birmingham area. I know that was a lot of information, and if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, great. That's perfectly all right. If you do need help getting this set up, we would love to hear your feedback, and go ahead and call us if you were wanting to be our exclusive client for the Birmingham area. Let's have a chat and make sure we're a good fit. We'll get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you need to work on growing your staff. We'll follow up in the next few days to get some feedback on the video. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch it and letting us send it to you. Hope you got good value out of it. Take care and have a good day. Thanks.